No, 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 no. Gina, let me explain.
What are you gonna explain to me? Ha, Mark? Ano ididetali mo sa akin lahat ng pinagagagawa niyo ng babae mo? And while you're here cheating on me, wala akong ibang ginawa kundi mag-isip ng paraan kung paano ko ipapakita sa'yo kung gaano kita kamahal. Oh my God, Mark! How could you do this? May kulang pa ba? Iniintindi naman kita, di ba? I did my best to be a good girlfriend to you. Binigay ko lahat, Mark! I spent 5 years of my life loving you. Tinaya ko lahat para lang mag-work ang relasyon na to. Ikaw ba? Ikaw ba minahal mo ako, Mark? Yung totoo sabihin mo sa akin!
Sorry.
Sorry! Kapal na mukha mo!
Sorry, I messed up.
Sinungaling ka!
It's too much. Nasuffocate na ako. Pero believe me, minahal kita.
Suffocated? You feel suffocated? Sinungaling ka! Kung hindi ka na masaya, dapat sinabi mo na lang. Maintindihan ko naman eh. But you're a coward. You led me on. You think I didn't see all the signs? Na wala kang balak na seryosohin ako. I saw them all. Pero nagpakabulag ako kasi mahal na mahal kita. Pero sinayang ko lang ang buhay ko para sa'yo.
Alam mo, truth be told, anak, good riddance. Wala namang buto yung lalaki na yun eh. Bakit? Ano ba nangyari?
God, I'm with another woman.
Oh my goodness.
Nasaan na ba yung lalaki yung kakasapin ko? Tawagan mo. Kasapin.
Dad, stop, okay? Kung ako lang masusunod, hindi ko na ito pinaalam sa inyo. Kasi nakailang ulit na kayo sa akin na ayaw niya nga kay Mark. Matigas lang ulo ko. And look what happened. Tama nga kayo. You took me for granted. Niloko pa ako.
Hindi iniiyakan yung ganong klaseng lalaki. And you have to be strong.
Ano, Mom? I built my life around him. 5 years kami nagsama, tapos tinapon na lang niya ng ganun.
At least now you can think about your goals, your life. Anak, you have so much life ahead of you.
Ayoko na magmahal, ayoko na masaktan. Kasalanan ko rin naman kasi ako naman yung nagpapakatanga.
Anak, ganitong gawin mo. Huwag mo na iisipin yan, ha? Huwag mong didibdibin. Nagkamali ka lang ng taong mamahalin. One of these days, hintayin mo. Makakita rin ng lalaking tunay na nagmamahal sa'yo.
Dad, alam mo sa totoo lang, I don't know kung darating pa yung araw na yun.
Darating yan.
Hindi naman kasi pwedeng puso lang ang sinusunod ko, Dad. I'd rather commit to someone na talagang mahal ako. Hindi yung sinasabi lang na mahal ako and in the end, iiwan din ako.
Ayan.
No, I need all hands here for the anniversary sale. So you have to be here on Saturday, okay? And that's final.
Ma'am, I really need this day off.
Amy, you already know the schedule, right?
It's just that our wedding rehearsal was moved to this Saturday. Our parents are flying in from out of state.
Wedding rehearsal?
Excuse me, Amy. You have wedding rehearsals on Saturday, right? Okay, good. Take the day off. No. Take 2 days off. I want you to make sure that you get that wedding right, okay?
Thank you, Sir Robert.
You're welcome. Okay. Alam ko, mahirap yung dinadaanan mo, but I want you to know that I am here for you.
I'm okay, Dad. Medyo nasa-stress na ako sa anniversary sale natin, but I'm fine.
Okay. You have to acknowledge na mahirap yan.
I wouldn't be lying, Dad, if I said that alam ko naman hindi kami tatagal talaga ni Mark. But I was willing to work on it with him.
Let's look at this na parang blessing in disguise. Dahil kung nangyari yan later on, baka mas masakit. Ngayon, ang kailangan natin tutunan ngayon ha, kung paano bumangon. Okay? Kaya mo yan. Sige nga. Give me a hug. Okay, ganito. Ba't di ka na lang muna umuwi ng Pilipinas? Go ahead.
I wouldn't know what to do there. Hindi ko na nga yata alam kung anong plano ko sa buhay ko.
Ako, alam ko. Halika, tawagan mo yung mga kaibigan mo, magburakay kayo, kung ano-ano man ang gusto mong gawin. You know, you need a break from this breakup. Kala maaliw ka.